and big budget, and it's heavy. What's up everybody, what's up YouTube? First of all, thank you so much for you guys subscribing me, and also thank you for your comment. Thank you for giving me thumbs up, and also if you forget to subscribe the channel, subscribe for me right now, and don't forget to drop your comment. If you like the video, give a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, you know what you have to do. Anyway, so I promise you guys, if I bought a new device, I will make an unboxing video, or else I'll make a review or whatever it is, but I told you I will come up with a new video. So as I promised, I'm here with my brand new camera stabilizer, which is ZHIYUN Crane 2. So I want to tell you guys that if you watch my previous videos, you can find my videos are moving, it's shaking, it's not stabilizing, or my videos are not smooth. So here is the solution. Before we go to the unboxing, I will read for you guys something which is mentioned in the box. It's mentioned there, ZHIYUN, this name. The first of all, I don't know why they create this much hard name. I cannot pronounce this name actually. It's ZHIYUN or ZHIYUN something. ZHIYUN 3-axis stabilizer with follow focus. It's a combo I got with this follow focus, and I'll show you guys once you open it. Let's jump to the video. We'll see what we have inside this magical box. Here we go. Okay, so this is how the box they created, and it's so good finishing. And also let's see, we will open. So here I already break the seal up from a while ago. So we'll open this box. Let's see what we have inside this magical box. Look at this. Okay, look at this. Wow, it's well organized. It's everything really well organized. Look at this box. It's really nice. Okay, from where I will start. Let's see what is this box. Okay, oops. Okay, this is the follow focus. Okay, look at this. It's a follow focus. And also what we have there. Okay, this all threads for connect to the lens and the with the follow focus. This is the cable which is going to connect the camera. So these things are well organized, and especially I will not forget those things when if I travel to somewhere, or if I want to carry those things. And this one, the really interesting part, this tripod is it's aluminium. Looks very strong. It's aluminium and looks very strong. Look at this. Wow. The tripod or a stand, and we have the battery charger here. Let's see what is that. You can see, and here you can find all the cables. USB cable is 5 cables, but I don't know what are those things. So these cables, and also now let's go with this stabilizer. Wow, it's heavy. It's heavy literally. You can see this one, the remote is part. Yes. Okay, before we go to the setup, you can see how it's wow. Whoa. Okay, so this is the stabilizer. I think I can. It comes like this. This one you don't want anymore. Destroyed. So this now, I hope there is enough charge, and the thing is we have to open from here. This is the battery side. Okay, wow, look at this. Oh my god, which is the side I'm gonna put it? Okay, I have to put like this. Yeah, let's go. gone. It's gone. You ready? Okay. It's like, wow. And we have here the switch. I can see here we have the power button. Okay. Oh my god, look at this. Wow. Is here, okay. So this is the ZHIYUN crane 3-axis stabilizer. I will share one video, and top this video we can find a small movie clip I will share for you guys, which is recorded by ZHIYUN crane 2. I will stop saying by ZHIYUN, okay, only crane 2. Thank you so much guys, see you soon with another video. Hope you enjoy, and if you like, thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. See you soon with another video.